friends in room 13. It is Monday, April 27th, and I just talked to you guys on the Zoom call we had this morning for Community Circle. Got to see everybody. I think we were missing a Laura, maybe everybody else. It was fun to see Aiden, and I really enjoyed hearing about what you guys have been up to. So I thought I'd read another book. This is called Go Dog Go. It looks like it's written by Dr. Seuss. It looks like a Dr. Seuss book, but it's actually written by a man named P.D. Eastman, and he actually studied with Dr. Seuss. So let's read it. Dog. And you can see it's a little bit like Dr. Seuss. The drawings are different. Big dog, little dog. Big dogs and little dogs, black and white dogs. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye, goodbye. One little dog going in, 3 big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree, a blue dog on a red tree, a green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. Two big dogs going up. One little dog going down. The green dog is up, the yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in, the red dog is out. One dog up on a house, 3 dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree, a yellow dog under a tree. A lot of these words are the words we do when we play our penguin game. Penguin is under the igloo, remember that? 2 dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water, a dog under the water. Hello again, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again, goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go around again. The sun is up, the sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under the house. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Dogs at work, work dogs work. Dogs at play, play dogs play. Hello again, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again, goodbye. Dogs and cars again, going away fast. Look at those dogs go. Go dogs, go. Stop dogs, stop. The light is red now. Go dogs, go. The light is green now. Two dogs at play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. Doesn't look like a safe place to play. Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It is time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now is the time for all dogs to get up. Get up. It is day. Time to get going. Go, dog, go. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look where they are going. They are all going over to that big tree over there. Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out. And now look where those dogs are going. To the tree, to the tree. Up the tree, up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of that tree? A dog party, a big dog party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs are all at a dog party. What? A dog party. Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do. What a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. Goodbye. Goodbye. And that is the end of that story by P.D. Eastman. I hope you guys are having a good day this week, working on your seesaw. And I sent some Zoom information for some of you to have a reading group with me tomorrow, so I'm looking forward to that. And I hope I see all you guys. One's at 9 and one's at 10. And if you're not in my Zoom meetings this week, you will be later in a few weeks. Ms. Spanos and I are going to switch groups. But I look forward to seeing you and have a great rest of your day. Bye.